Hi Billbookers, welcome to our next how-to guide where we start to take a look at how to create invoices and estimates. Before we get on to making those, however, we're going to take a step back and look at how to create items. In Billbooks, items are any services or goods that you regularly sell. Setting them up as items allows you to generate invoices and estimates in lightning speed, as you don't have to enter all the same information every time you make a sale. Let's have a look at an invoice. This one's for a designer, but you can see how any service provider who charges by the hour could have a similar invoice. You'll see there are two items used on this invoice. One has a $120 an hour rate, that's for different types of design services, and the other has an $80 an hour rate. That one's for more elementary studio production tasks. Now let's create these items in Billbooks. From your dashboard, click on Items in the left-hand navigation. Then click on Create New Item to create your first item. Enter the name and then a few lines that describe the item. The description will appear on your invoices and estimates, so include anything that you might want to see appear on them. And when you're making your invoices and estimates, you can always delete any parts of the description that aren't relevant to that specific job, and you can also customize and add extra information as you go. Enter the rate. We've got $120 here. The unit, in this case, we're setting up an item with an hourly rate, and select whatever tax rate is appropriate for your country. When you're done, click Save and you'll see the item starts to create a list of all your items. As your list grows, you can search items using the letters near the top of the screen or using the search bar above those. After you've created your first item and want to create another, you'll find the New Item button at the top right of the Items screen. Now, simply go through the same steps as before to create all the items you need. If you need to change the description or price of any items, just click on the down arrow at the right of the screen and click Edit to make the changes. And if you have any items you want to make a variation of, you can see there's also a duplicate option to get you started. Once you've got all your regular items set up, you're ready to start creating invoices and estimates in seconds.